And the guys demonstrate that every single day they go out. And with the team environment there is in the cockpit, it's very much sort of big family in the sky, and the guys do a fantastic job.
We've got 11 pilots here. William's a fairly new co-pilot, but as such he flies the aircraft as much as anyone else, and he'll be called upon quite regularly during jobs to take control of the aircraft while the captain's doing something else. Regarding the hierarchy, we're all pretty much we're all of equal rank, just with different varying levels of experience, so we all get on very, very well together.